Solution to past YF questions. This is BECE 2018 essay question 1B. Our question says, solve the equation 1/3 all into x plus 3 minus 2 into x minus 5, all this equals 4 whole number 1/3. And this is the solution. First thing we'll do is we change the mixed fraction on the right hand side to an improper fraction. That is this mixed fraction, we change it to an improper fraction. That is to say, 3 multiplied by 4 gives us 12, plus 1 gives us 13, which becomes our numerator, and then all over the same denominator, which is 3. And on the left hand side, we have not done anything. So we come back. Now we want to get rid of our denominators, this 3 and this 3. What do? We multiply through by the LCM of the denominators. Now our denominators are what? 3 and 3. The LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. That's the lowest number into which both of them can enter. So we are going to multiply through each term. We multiply it by 3. So we have 3 multiplied by 1/3 into x plus 3 minus, we bring the LCM again, 3 multiplied by 2 into x minus 5 equals to the LCM again, 3 multiplied by 13/3. Now multiplying this, what we will do, you will notice this 3 will cancel this 3, and also this 3 will also cancel this 3. So we are left with, because this 3 and this, they are gone, this 1 remains. So we are left with 1 into x plus 3 minus, because we multiply minus times plus here for the 2, it gives us minus, and 3 times 2 gives us 6. So we have minus 6 into x minus 5 equals to, because this 3 and this 3, they are gone, we have 13 that is left. Now what do we need to do? We expand the brackets. By expanding these brackets, we are going to take this term outside. We use it to multiply each of the terms inside the brackets. So we first multiply 1 times x, that gives us x, and then plus times plus is plus, 1 times 3, that gives us 3. Come over here, minus times plus, we have minus, and then 6 times x, we have 6x, and minus times minus, we have plus, and now 6 times 5, we have 30. The brackets are gone, we've expanded, and we have all of these equals to 13. What do we need to do? You will notice we have like terms here. 3, 30, and 13 are like terms. They are all integers. And then the terms in x, the terms with variables, they are also like terms, x and minus 6x. So what do? We collect our like terms. Collecting like terms, we take x and minus 6x on one side, and then we add already over here 3 and 30, that gives us 33. So if we crosses that 33 over the equals to sign, remember, anything that crosses the equals to sign, its sign will change. So because it was positive here, when it crosses, it now becomes negative. But we already have here 13, so we take that 13 first, and then when the plus 33 crosses over, it becomes minus 33. So now we have x minus 6x. because the signs are different. This is plus x and this is minus 6x. We are going to subtract and put a sign of the greater number, because 6 is greater than 1, the coefficient of x here. So the sign of 6 prevails. So therefore we have x minus 6x gives us minus 5x, which is now equals to 13 minus 33. It's minus 20. The same thing happens here as well. When the signs are not the same, this is plus 13 and this is minus 33. We subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. You notice 33 is bigger than 13. Therefore, when we subtract 33 and 13, we'll have 20. So 33 is bigger, its sign prevails in the answer. Therefore, we are left with minus 5x equals to minus 20. But remember, when we are given an algebraic equation like this, we are required to find a value for the variable. So we come back and say we want to have a value for x. Now what do? We are going to divide both sides of this equation by the coefficient of x. So now what is the coefficient of x here? Is minus 5. So if we divide here by minus 5, we should also divide on the other side by minus 5. So dividing both sides by minus 5, we notice minus 5, we cancel minus 5. What is left over here now is x. And then minus will go with minus. And then 5 into itself is 1 time, into 20 is 4 times. Therefore, our answer for x is 4. Thank you.